Hello everyone, I'm Ting Han Chen, Director of Play Design Lab, and an adjunct faculty member in the Department of Art and Design at Yuan-Ze University in Taiwan. Today, I will share the service design transformation of Rixing Type Foundry. Founded in 1969, Rixing is a rare typographic gem that continues to manufacture and sell traditional Chinese movable type. It may well be the last of its kind in the world. With the rise of digital typesetting, the demand for traditional typefaces declined sharply, leading to a crisis for the foundry industry and challenging Rixing's survival. To address this challenge, Rixing repositioned itself as the letterpress craft museum, offering immersive guided tours to share the rich heritage of letterpress printing. Rixing's core values are built around four key processes: typecasting, composition, typesetting, and letterpress printing. These experiences are central to their operations. However, the outbreak of COVID-19 brought new challenges. With the decline in both international and domestic visitors, covering operational costs became increasingly difficult. Rixing initially offered guided tours only for groups of 20 or more, but this approach deprived the individual visitors of the experience and led to operational difficulties. To address these issues, we applied the concept of the customer journey from service design to transform Rixing Type Foundry's visitor experience into a self-guided digital tour. Our design strategy aims to enhance visitor satisfaction by providing a consistent and engaging experience. Simultaneously, it improves service quality while reducing labor costs and staff workload. By fostering a better understanding of letterpress culture, visitors are more likely to make purchases, thereby increasing revenue. This solution effectively balances cost reduction with value creation for Rixing Type Foundry. Upon entering Rixing Type Foundry, visitors simply scan a QR code to access the self-guided tour system. At each touchpoint, they can select the corresponding tour number to view and listen to related content without rescanning. This approach helps them appreciate the craftsmanship and cultural value of Chinese lit type printing while guiding them towards souvenir purchases. The tour videos are filmed at the exact locations of each tour point, allowing visitors to compare the on-site environment while watching, creating an experience similar to having a live guide. To make the videos more engaging, motion graphics were added in post-production. Each video concludes with a prompt guiding visitors to the next tour point, encouraging them to follow the numbered sequence to complete the entire tour. We have numbered the touch points of the customer journey and mapped them to the tour points within Rixing Type Foundry. This system allows visitors to follow the numbered markers to access different tour content. Each tour point is equipped with clear signage to help visitors easily identify them. At the entrance of Rixing Type Foundry, visitors encounter a display board with a QR code and service instructions. By scanning the QR code with their phones, they can begin their tour. After scanning the QR code, visitors are directed to the digital tour system, where an introductory video welcomes them, explains essential tour guidelines, and demonstrates how to use the system. After watching the introduction, Visitors can either start the guided tour from the first stop or use the Jump To feature on their phones, along with the Foundry map, to explore specific points of interest directly. For this design project, we provided Rixing Type Foundry with comprehensive design guidelines, including video, UI, and signage spec, enabling them to operate the system independently. Since its launch in late December 2022, the digital tour service has been in use for 2 years, averaging about 300 users per month. The management and operations team at the Rixing Type Foundry find the design simple yet practical. It allows their staff to focus on meaningful interactions and provide a more personalized service. For visitors who prefer to explore the space independently, the digital tour system is convenient and informative. The absence of a live guide does not feel like a drawback. Instead, it creates a more relaxed and pressure-free visit. This project integrates physical and digital elements, combining the traditionally separate processes of typecasting, type picking, typesetting, and printing into a cohesive, self-guided tour experience. By introducing this service, Rixing Type Foundry has enhanced the overall visitor experience, improved the visit quality, and increased the product sales. Additionally, the project has fostered internal communication and cross-disciplinary design thinking, helping to build consensus on using innovative methods to preserve and revitalize Chinese letterpress culture.